You know this guy. Matthew McConaughey, movie star, globally famous, worth hundreds of millions of dollars. But what you probably don't know is that he has a digital product. Yeah, in 2023, he launched a self-help digital product, a course, and he put it in front of millions of people in a single live stream. And the way that he did it revealed a machine that has quietly generated hundreds of millions of dollars. The machine that I'm talking about goes like this: free events, an email list, a small upgrade, a core product, and a recurring subscription. And I've run this exact structure myself without a celebrity name, without a movie career, and without 6 million people reading my best-selling book beforehand. And I've made over $32 million after running it for years. So by the end of this video, you are going to understand it so well that you can launch this and run this yourself in less than the next 24 hours. So let's break down exactly how it works. Before Matthew McConaughey even thought about making his own digital product, he published a book called Green Lights back in 2020. It was a debut that launched as the #1 on the New York Times nonfiction list, spent 99 weeks on the bestseller list, and sold more than 6 million copies worldwide. Matthew McConaughey spent years building philosophy with the book. Think of it as the framework built around the idea of catching green lights, living more deliberately, chasing what he called more. And his audience responded at a scale that most authors never experience. Even he himself said it. People were raving about it and he was bombarded to go deeper. And that's the start of his digital product journey. It's called Roadtrip. It's a course with 9 modules called mile markers, covering things like identity and value, together with a 65-page workbook. The course was a guided practice version of the book's philosophy with prompts, exercises, in a private community in weekly live sessions called Roadtrip Pit Stops. That is a legit content to product pipeline. That is exactly what every author, coach, and creator in this space is trying to build. But here is the part that nobody noticed. The course was not actually his. The legal footer on every Roadtrip sales page gives it away. It was built by Mind Mint, the company behind mastermind.com. That is Tony Robbins, a motivational speaker that you've definitely seen before, and Dean Graziosi, one of the biggest names in selling courses online. So this was actually a partnership, what's called a joint venture. McConaughey brought the worldview, the stories, the 6 million readers. Robbins and Graziosi brought the template, the sales infrastructure, and the machine. And this matters because they had run this exact playbook before. One launch in 2019 made millions of dollars in under 14 days. They've run the same machine ever since for creator after celebrity after business mogul. McConaughey was just the biggest one to ever step into it. Now, let me walk you through the structure itself because this is the part that matters for you. Step 1, free events. The Art of Living was a 5.5-hour live stream that ran on YouTube and Facebook at no cost to the viewer. Tony Robbins and other names in the personal development world appeared as supporting guests throughout the stream. And this is the top of the machine. The job of the free events is not to sell anything. The job is just to hand over your name and email, which is exactly what happened the moment that you registered for the event. Step 2, the small upgrade. Before the event, viewers were nudged to pay $47 for a VIP Fast Pass, which gave access to a private Zoom room where McConaughey could see the attendees on studio screens, plus a live post-show Q&A. This is what's called a low-friction front-end offer. It pays for the event, it qualifies the most interested buyers, and it creates a tiered experience before the main pitch ever even happens. Step 3, the core product. Roughly 2.5 hours into the event, Dean Graziosi stepped forward and made the offer. The course was framed as a near $4,000 value, available only $397 only for that day, 1/10 of the original price. The standard price after the event went to about $497. And step 4, the recurring subscription. This is where most people missed what's actually happening. What's inside the course purchase was 3 months free to the Mastermind platform, after which buyers would build $47 a month unless they actively canceled. The one-time sale is not the business. The $47 per month is the business. Every step of the launch, the free event, the VIP upgrade, the $397 course was engineered to build that subscription. Course was simply the mechanism. The platform is where the real money was waiting. Now, here is where I give you my real honest thoughts because I've run this exact structure, not with Matthew McConaughey or with $1 million budget. I run the same 4 steps, just a way simpler, cleaner version, and it works at any size. In fact, one of my students made her first $1,000 with under 125 followers, and she did it without ever showing her face using this exact technique. She built her whole business on Face's short-form videos selling a $27 ebook, and now she's made well over $10,000 from it. 6 million readers in McConaughey still got it wrong. 125 followers in my student did not. And the reason he got it wrong has nothing to do with the system. Now, if you are a creator and you think the structure that I just described sounds pretty aggressive, understand something first. The structure itself is not the problem. That is how smart digital product businesses work. Free events, front-end product, recurring community. Every major platform in this industry operates around that exact logic. The controversy was the gap between what the product promised and what it actually delivered. McConaughey introduced the course on stage and left before the price was ever mentioned. Texas Monthly's reporter sat in the VIP Zoom and documented that the skeptical and negative comments were being deleted from the chat in real time. Viewers who thought they were attending an intimate one-time event with a movie star found themselves watching a heavily optimized sales sequence. That is the exact moment where the trust breaks. Then a comedian named John Oliver, who hosts a weekly news satire show called Last Week Tonight, dedicated an entire segment to mocking a specific moment from the event. Once that segment circulated, the launch stopped reading as a celebrity self-help course and started reading as a joke. That is a big hit to take, especially if you have a reputation of being the role model for so many people. And here is what most people, reports, and critics got wrong. Some people genuinely found value in his course. Attendees took pages of notes, found the exercises useful, and felt the experience was worth the price. That is a real product doing real work for a real audience. The problem was never that Roadtrip had no substance. The problem was that the industrial machinery was too visible beneath the personal brand. And the moment that those two things came apart, the trust collapsed. So what does this whole thing actively teach us about building our digital product businesses? You can run the exact same structure yourself in a much cleaner version. Not with an A-list celebrity, not with millions of views, just the right people. You need a specific audience, a specific problem, and a framework that you genuinely built around solving it. Free events, core product, recurring community, that's the whole thing. And if you're building a digital product business and you do not have a reason for someone to still be paying you in month 6, you have a product, not a business. Second, anchor pricing only works when every line item survives being checked. Showing a high price first to make your offer look like a steal is fine, but every item in that value stack, it has to be real. The moment a buyer finds out your price list bonus costs $5, you've handed your harshest critic the rest line. Let the value speak and the buyers become your promoters. Inflate the claims and your refund rates will tell you exactly what they thought. Third, deliver the person what you sell. McConaughey did appear in the course modules, but the weekly live sessions in the ongoing community were largely run by mastermind staff. And when buyers realized that the ride on the passenger seat with Matthew promise in the sales copy meant recorded videos and a mastermind facilitator on the calls, the gap felt like a bait and switch. If your front end sells access to you, your back end has to be built around actually being there. So here's my real take. Roadtrip was not a cash grab, but it was not a clean launch either. The course had real content. The machine had real mechanics. What they never had was alignment between the two. Greenlights worked because it felt like Matthew McConaughey, being honest. Roadtrip didn't because the machine showed through. The system works. You just have to show up in it as yourself, price honestly, and deliver what you promise. That is the version that lasts. And here's the thing. Everything that I just walked you through, the free events, the front-end product, the recurring community, McConaughey ran it with a movie career and millions of dollars behind him. I run the exact same 4 steps with none of that. And the version that I run is built from someone starting from zero. No celebrity name, no team, no face if you don't want to show your face. And I put together a full step-by-step masterclass that walks you through exactly how to build each one of these steps yourself. How to pick the product, how the free content brings in the right people, and how the back end keeps paying you in month 6 and beyond. It's the same structure you just watched fall apart, except built clean, built around you, and built to last. If you're serious about building this for yourself, that's your next step. The link that's on the screen right here, and it's also the first link in the description. I want you to tap that, go watch it, go take notes on it, and I'll see you on the other side.